Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to add a voiceover in CapCut PC or adding a voiceover to your videos in CapCut PC. So for us to be able to get started for this, you need to open a new project on your CapCut. So as you can see, we're in here already. And then right after, you'll need to import in here or add in the video that you want to add a voiceover. So as of the moment, I have added a video already. And if you haven't do it onto your end, just click onto this import button in here to go ahead and browse onto your different files to add in a video, or you could simply drag and drop the videos in here under the media. Once it is successfully added, just click onto this plus icon in here to add the track onto the timeline. So we have successfully added that one in here. We'll just have to wait for this one to load. You could click onto this triangle button in here to do a preview first, but once you're already ready to do a record, there is a record icon here onto the middle part. So this microphone icon is the record button. So if you click onto that, there should be settings in here that you would be able to see. So as you can see, this red button is where you could go ahead and click to start recording. You could also choose the input devices in here or all of the microphones that you have connected onto your device. So just simply choose one in here. You could also adjust the volume. You also have the echo reduction to turn on to avoid echo from the speaker. We could turn that one on. Mute the project so that sounds in all clips will be turned off after mute project is turned on. And this enhanced voice. So this will automatically remove echoes, popping sounds, mouth click, and other noises. And you need to go ahead and upgrade your CapCut onto a pro version to use this feature. Now, once you're already set, just click onto the red icon in here and it will start the countdown and it will go ahead and record your voice onto the video that you have in here. So you could say anything that you want. And once you're already done, you could simply click on the red icon in here and then the recording should be set onto your device. So let's click onto the X button and then you could do a quick preview using this triangle icon in here. Once you're already set, you could just export your video here onto the upper part together with your sound recording. And that is just basically it onto how to add a voice on your video in CapCut. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.